To certify your LEA's faculty and staff data, you must log into the application using your SLED credentials. A consent form will appear. You click Agree. This is the summary page. It includes key performance indicators, also known as KPIs. These metrics reflect the data in the roster for the current school year. Please note, we have included hover-over descriptions and formulas to help you understand what you are looking at. We have also included 3 tabs that disaggregate the information by schools within your LEA. In the first tab, you will see headcount by federal role. You are also able to download the information on this tab by clicking on the download button. You can navigate to the other tabs by simply selecting the tab. If you continue to scroll down through the page, you will find other graphs that help you understand your data. The first graph displays the years of experience of teachers and administrators. This information will be public on the DC report card, so please ensure the information is accurate. The current year and previous year graph. This allows you to compare the new data you just submitted to last year's certified data. So for example, if you know that your LEA has about the same number of staff in the same roles as they did in the previous year, then you need to make sure the numbers are similar. As you continue to scroll down, you will see data errors and data anomaly reports. Data error reports are generated because the information is incorrect. Data anomalies are generated because the information is inconsistent. Please note, all data errors need to be corrected for your LEA to be able to certify on certification day. At 9 a.m. on the certification day, a red banner will appear, indicating that the certification is today. Please note, the LEA will not be able to make any further updates to the data. The head of school to certify will need to scroll down to the bottom of the screen. If there are unresolved errors, there will be a yield icon which will indicate that there are unresolved errors and the head of school will not be able to certify. This is why it is extremely important to resolve all of the errors before the day of certification. Let's now display how to certify when there are no pending errors on the day of certification. On the day of certification, follow the steps we previously discussed. A checkbox will appear at the bottom of the screen. The head of school will simply need to check the box. This indicates that the head of school has reviewed all of the data on the summary page and validates that the data are accurate. Once the head of school checks the box, the certification button on the right side of the screen will be enabled. Now, the head of school simply needs to check the green certification button on that right side of the screen. After the button is checked, a confirmation will appear. If you scroll to the top of the screen, the head of school will see that the red banner now says certified.